Happy Monday, we're Realtors. Welcome to another great week at Century 21 Circle. We have a big week. Wednesday night, we are celebrating our awards winners. So we want all our awards winners, please make sure you RSVP, come out. We want to celebrate you. We're so proud of you, and it's going to be a great week. Friday, everyone, Avila branch of the Tampa Pasco offices, we are hosting a lunch and learn. We are having a celebration for Adel, Halaka and for Rich Simonetti for graduating from the Step Ahead Boot Camp Academy. They've done their 26 weeks. They've done the Step Ahead program. We're very proud of them. We're going to celebrate them. And our CEO, Melissa, will be here. She'll be on hand. So we're going to have breakfast. We're going to have a great presentation from a home inspection company. You'll be able to answer all your questions about home inspections. Melissa will be here with us, and we're going to celebrate two of our new up-and-coming agents. So be here. That will start at 10 a.m. on Friday. The rest of the week, Monday, we will have our normal routine training at 10 o'clock for everyone except our new group. Our new group 25 will be at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, of course. We'll have our agent service coordinators doing our tools training. Tuesday, 10 a.m. I'm going to be in West Pasco, I believe. So we're going to do script mastery, but we'll also be on Zoom, so you can join us either way. Wednesday, we will not have digital mastery this week, just because, again, we're having the event that evening. And Friday, of course, the morning grind will be on, but it won't really be the morning grind. It will be our breakfast celebration, lunch and breakfast and learn, and graduation celebration. So guys, have a great week. Get out there. Listings are still on the uptick. Make sure you get yours. He who has the listings controls the market, and that's what we need to do. Last and final word, I know everybody's all panicked about this whole NAR thing. Guys, we have never said you have to charge X amount percentage. That's price fixing. We haven't done it. This lawsuit, it doesn't make sense in some of these things. We're going to be okay here in the state of Florida. We have transaction brokerage relationships already. The sellers have the choice to pay whatever commission they want to a buyer's agent. They're still going to pay commissions to a buyer's agent because they want to entice you, and their clients are going to understand they want to entice you as a buyer's agent to bring your buyer to their house. So just relax, take a deep breath. It's all going to be okay. We're going to all get through this together. Have a great week. If anybody needs me, my Outlook calendar is open. Go in and schedule an appointment there, and we'll talk during the week. Bye.